Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay, Bricks of the Clicks. We are working through a semi of 28 pallets. This is pallet number 2. Eventually, I will lose count. About $70,000 worth of toys that we picked up. Mixture of overstock, customer returns, shelf pulls, and so far it's been decent. I mean, the first pallet was like half and half, so we'll see how this one turns out. I see a lot of cool stuff on here. So make sure to hit that subscribe button in that bottom corner. It is free. You can follow us and you help us out. So we'll get into it, see what we find,
Oh, we already know we got money as long as the stuff.
Oh yeah, this is a good pallet already. I mean, this is a pretty nice pallet. I see some L.O.L. stuff, Harry Potter, L.O.L. train. It looks like maybe there's package damage on it. Some Batman.
A lot of stuff we've sold
Primal
for
Rage.
good money. Got freaking tape all over it.
Yes, there is. There's gonna be tape all over this stuff. Always tape. You know, it's funny because it doesn't matter where you buy it from. There's always freaking tape.
There's always tape. Way too much.
Always freaking tape.
Unless it's in the gate. Well, the Gaylords don't really have tape on them.
A lot of tape. You know, we cut the tape off. Otherwise, they'll do some damage to your boxes or your merchandise. So we like to go through and cut all that tape off. Which, our videos would probably be
10 times shorter.
10 times shorter. Yeah, that's true.
So how much is this train, you think, really?
Probably a $200 train if it ends up being new inside. Lying out Harry Potter train.
$200 for that?
That would be my guess.
I know somebody that'll probably buy it. They'll want you to give them a really good deal, though.
Yeah, for sure.
Are you still back there cutting?
Oh man, there's tape. Tape everywhere back here.
Oh, that's good money.
Alright. I think we are golden. So.
And the box is actually new.
That's good. So we had one that was in way worse condition than that. We sold it for 120 bucks.
Yeah, the back was all damaged. I think they're going around 130 to 140,
So that's a nice buy. Brand new Fisher Price, Sharon Kerr Safari. Didn't we sell something similar like that a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, I think so.
Like 60 bucks or something.
Little Tykes Kingdom Builders. Oh, you're knocking shit over.
That's you.
No, I can feel
Look
it
at that.
coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because you've.
It's you. You moved the heavy part. You moved the heavy piece.
Yeah, damn.
All right, I'll hold it. Go right ahead. Do your thing.
No, I was just saying it's just gonna be damaged packaging. It looks like it's
new.
still new. Yeah.
Whoa.
You freaking
I'm holding it.
Just grab
I'm
stuff.
holding it. It's my turn
Yeah,
now.
just grab
Primal
stuff.
Rage is brand new inside. Just a package worth. They're really not worth that much. Remember, I thought those was gonna be worth a ton. It was only like 50 bucks, 40 bucks.
Did we get one that big?
Yeah, and we
before?
sent it to Amazon.
Oh.
The Bat Cave. It's pretty cool.
I remember we got the T-shirts and the lunch boxes. Go ahead, grab it.
Lookout tower.
Yeah. Oh, you think they want a battery cover?
Inside joke. Inside joke.
Inside joke.
So this here looks brand new, just package damage. If that's the case, there's $100 on that lookout tower. So far, this is a really good pallet.
Yeah, for sure.
Barbie, we sold those like crazy. It's 150 bucks, even if you lowballed it. So we'll add that with our other one, look at it and see.
Gotta double check and make sure everything's there.
Yeah.
But most of the time, it's just damaged packaging from shipper to retailer, and nobody buys it. So they buy it from us.
This looks to be brand new.
I don't know what the hell that
It
is.
still has the actual original stuff on it. It's a big ass dollhouse. We ship this out all day. We'll look it up, see what it's worth. But I'm gonna say it has not been opened. Just a lot of extra tape on it.
I don't recognize that brand.
Yeah, I'm not sure on this one.
I'm curious what the cost would be on there.
We will find out. So that's a nice find there.
Oh, it sounded like it was heavy there. Are you struggling? You grunted a little.
No, I was actually inhaling at the exact same moment I
Oh.
picked it up, so it kind of caught me off guard.
I think we should probably just add these to the Pallet.
They like testing this. So.
I do, but I don't actually see any darts.
What did we sell that last one for? We just had of this.
I think like $40.
Is this one that's supposed to come with? No, it's not.
There's no accessories.
No. So, our generation Jeep is right now. I'm gonna say this is a pretty good pallet.
Yeah, this is good money
That's
if it's
huge money.
complete.
What did we sell that for? Like $229.
Yeah, $229 or
Yeah.
$219 or something. Yeah.
And it looks like it might be new. You want to help me put it in here?
I don't need your help. Get out of here.
I'm just saying. I thought maybe you struggle a little bit. So we got these are hot. My girls got some for Christmas. They absolutely loved it. 70 pieces in there. I think it was like $12 or $14. So it looks like it may just be package wear.
Yeah, because
original
that's
tapes on
original
it.
tape.
Yeah. So we'll double check that. But if that's the case, I mean, when we bought them, they were $100 a piece. I think I saw them on sale the other day for like $80, but the price will go back up on them. Those are good money.
Yeah, it sounds like something's loose in there. We'll have to go through it and look at it. I know what you're thinking already.
Yeah. There's still money to be made on that.
Yeah.
So these, you know, there's some damage to it, but believe it or not, we actually will lot these broken ones together
To sell them for
for
parts.
$69.99. Two of them together, parts only, and they still sell for $70. We
Yeah.
take them out of the box, no box.
It's crazy. We sell them all.
Yeah.
too.
So
I can't believe it.
absolutely insane. People will buy it.
L.O.L. campers.
Yeah, these are gonna be, you know, around $100 a piece, and they look like they're new,
Yeah,
just damaged packaging,
Yeah.
but new.
This
So-
one's just got a little smush to it.
Yeah, so we'll see what we do with these, but you know, if they turn out good, you know, you're looking at $100 a piece. This is a really good pallet so far.
Yeah. And of course, oh, this is the Grand View Mansion.
These are good money.
Yeah.
There's two of them.
No, the one underneath.
One's the
is
Uptown Kitchen.
I don't
I feel
remember
like we
that
sold
one.
the Uptown Kitchen. So
I remember the Grand View. I think that was close to $200.
even if let's say you just low bought $100 a piece, we know they're gonna be worth more than that, but you got another $200 in the pallet. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, at least $1,000 on this one pallet.
And how much do we have in each pallet? You don't know.
I don't even know. We had 28 pallets worth about $70,000, so there was at least $1,000. Oh, plus we got the Barbie house, so probably closer to $1,200 on everything on this one pallet. So really good buy on this pallet. We'll get into the next pallets. We got a ton of pallets, so a lot of fun stuff to get through. And you know, 'tis the season. Now's the time to buy with all the overstock and stuff flowing out there on the market.
Yeah, everybody had their Christmas. We're having ours.
Yeah. February and March will be huge for us. So make sure to like us, subscribe, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It is free, and we really do appreciate it. And we'll see you guys back shortly.